What's up, guys? This is Dan with Dry Rub. I want to talk about how to use Dry Rub Spicy to use the trigger point massage balls. It's super easy. Basically, we have a pocket system on the back of Dry Rub. So all you do is you take the ball, insert it into the pocket, like so. And once it's in there, we include 4 different massage balls with the product, so you can put them wherever you want. A lot of people like them in the low back or upper back near your shoulders. Once they're in there, all you do is install your product into your car. It's super simple. You start with the headrest hood and drape it over the headrest of your vehicle. Once it's on, you take the anchor, the seat anchor, and tuck that into the crease of your seat. That just gives you some extra stability, so while you're driving or getting in and out of the vehicle, it's not moving around at all. Once you have that done, you take the strap for the seat skirt, bring it around the seat, and then attach it to the other strap. That keeps the skirt in place, and that skirt really provides extra coverage, so if you're getting super muddy, dirty, wet, whatever, the bottom of your seat is fully protected. So that's it. You take it off, you just reverse the steps. Super easy to install, super easy to take off, and whenever you need to wash it, if it ever gets a little funky, all you do is throw it in the washing machine and hang dry it, and it'll dry in a few hours or maybe overnight if it takes a long time, because maybe you're in a colder climate. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know.